Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you an application of trigonometric functions that involve acute angles. Let's begin. To measure a stone face carved on the side of a mountain, two sightings 600 feet from the base of the mountain are taken. If the angle of elevation to the bottom of the face is 35 degrees and the angle of elevation to the top is 38 degrees, what is the approximate height of the stone face? Okay, so there's a lot going on here, and I'm going to start with the numbers. In particular, 650 feet. So two sightings were taken 650 feet apart from the base of the mountain, so I'm going to label the base 650 feet. Next are the two angles, 38 degrees and 35 degrees. And you were probably wondering what an angle of elevation is. Well, at the top of the screen, I have drawn an angle of elevation. So let's pretend that the horizontal line, that is your line of sight. If you take from your line of sight, if you look up, the angle that you make is going to be your angle of elevation. So in the problem, we want an angle of elevation of 35 degrees and 38 degrees. So this horizontal line is your line of sight. So I'm going to label the smaller angle 35 degrees. And I'm going to highlight this a different color. Let's go with pink. Because I'm going to draw this arrow here pink. Now this entire angle here, that is 38 degrees. So how are we going to find the height of the head of the statue? Well, what we can do is notice that we're given two right triangles. The first right triangle that we're given, the height involves the head and the mountain. And so I'm going to label that Y. The second right triangle that's provided involves just the base of the mountain. And so if we can take, I'm going to label that X. So if we can take Y and subtract X, that is going to equal the height of the stone face. So let's go ahead and start with Y. Now Y, that involves the 38 degree angle, and Y is opposite of 38 degrees, and 650 is adjacent. So we know that the tangent of 38 degrees has to equal Y divided by 650. For X, X involves the 35 degrees, and X is opposite of 35 degrees, and 650 is adjacent, so we know that the tangent of 35 degrees has to equal X divided by 650. So cross multiplying, we know that Y is equal to 650 times the tangent of 38 degrees. And we know that X is equal to 650 times the tangent of 35 degrees. So the height of the stone face is going to be 650 tangent of 38 degrees minus 650 tangent of 35 degrees. And we're going to evaluate that using Decimus. You can factor 650 out if you like, but you don't have to. So we're going to come over here to Decimus. We are going to make sure that we're in degree mode, and we're not. So this will be 650 tangent of 38 degrees minus 650 tangent of 35. So is that 52.7? 01, okay. The height of the stone face is approximately, I have to go back and look real quick, 52.701 feet.